today we're gonna perform a very interesting experiment, and it's one of the separating methods, and that's the chromatography experiment. Yes, and that's how I was able to get this, and these words we're gonna be performing today. Sounds restaurant. So if it sounds interesting, make sure you watch the video to the end. Also, do well to like, share with your friends, classmates, and everyone, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future uploads.
For the chromatography experiment, you need a beaker with acetone, and yeah.
This is how the TLC plate looks like. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna be using for the experiment. That's the shiny surface, and that this is the media where we have to pour ink, and that's the absorbent media. Yeah, so this way we have to pour what we want to separate. That's the ink in our case. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, and come in. So this is the ink we'd like to use. And come in. Let me just pour a droplet of this. Good. So now let me add my ink to my absorbent medium, which is my TLC plate. And I'm gonna do that. So we have this, and these are the ink we're about to separate. This is the absorbent medium. We have the shiny surface of the TLC plate, but then we have the shiny surface of the TLC plate. Then we also have this part here, and I'm just gonna put this right now inside our beaker of acetone, and let's see the experiment. Let me just let this rest. Oops. So it's gonna fly off. The separation is very interesting. I mean, it has, at some point it shows this pinkish like color, and sometimes it shows this yellowish color, sometimes orange color, and sometimes yellow color. I'm trying to record it the best way I can. I mean, it's just so lovely. I mean, it's so lovely. So